Right, I am now going to eat 2 bird's eye chilies, and hopefully I won't have a bad reaction to it. Hopefully I won't have a hissy fit over it, but you never know. So here goes. Not bad. It's fucking lovely, actually. I'm just waiting for things to heat up. Nah. It's actually getting pretty hot now. Oh, bloody hell. Ugh. Ugh. Ah! Oh, fuck me. Ah, now I'm putting that one back. Oh, I got to spit. I got no. Ah! Mommy! I'm gonna have to sweat. And that's it, guys. I am in pain, agony. Shit. Fuck. Laters.